5 things I really love about Christmas in the Cotswolds. Well, first of all, top of the list has to be family. Got lots of family in the Cotswolds. Jess's dad and his partner, they live very close by. We've got lots and lots of friends that live nearby because our kids go to the local schools, so it's a big sort of social group. In fact, we always have an amazing Christmas party just before Christmas. So definitely friends and family. Secondly, the Christmas fairs. You can't move in the Cotswolds for fairs before Christmas. I mean, they're probably holding one now. There's a brilliant one at, I think it's a place called Dalesford, which is if Father Christmas himself designed a farm shop. Secondly, snow. You often get snow in the Cotswolds at Christmas. We've actually been snowed in at Christmas. I mean, it really was bad. You couldn't get, because we were on the top of a hill, and nobody could get up and down the hill. So we all went, we had to go, I think it was not on Christmas Day, but just after Christmas Day, down to the pub to have lunch because we'd run out of food. Food, that's the other part. Did I mention food? Food. The Cotswolds is one of the best places for local produce because we've got every kind of farm you can imagine, every kind of, there's this cheese that's called Cerny Ash. You've got to get some. It seems to be like genuinely coated in ash, and it's made in Cerny, just around the corner, and it's absolutely delicious. It's not a hard cheese, it's not a soft cheese. It's got a bit of I don't want to say rubbery because that doesn't really do it justice, but it's got this amazing subtle flavour. Fantastic. And the final thing is, once you've eaten all that food, they can roll you out of the doorway, and you can then try and get upright and walk some of it off in the amazing Cotswold Hills, because they literally sort of go up and down. One of my friends described it as Inception meets Postman Pat. Because you feel like when you're walking in the hills, you can see, you get a perspective, you can almost see like the tops of buildings. It's a really way, because everything's sort of bending and curving, and it's got the most amazing landscape. So to go out and walk in the Cotswolds is one of the most fabulous things to do at Christmas.